Everyone thinks the best-selling portable bottle warmer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Momkazi Portable Bottle Warmer. First up is the Momkazi Portable Bottle Warmer, priced at $79.99. This caught my eye because it's been labeled a bestseller with over 10,000 units sold just this past month. If you want a reliable, fast-heating bottle warmer for travel, this is worth a serious look. Imagine never having to deal with a crying baby while waiting for milk to warm up. Plus, its dual heating modes offer precise temperature control for both milk and water, so you can customize it to your baby's needs. With a 17 Oz capacity, it's perfect for multiple feedings throughout the day. And its rechargeable battery can warm water up to 19 times on a single charge, which is amazing for day trips or long outings. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulkier than what they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a reliable warmer that handles larger volumes, this slight bulk could be a worthwhile trade-off. It still fits in most diaper bags easily. This is perfect for you if you regularly travel with your baby and need a dependable warmer. Skip this one if you need something ultra-compact or have space constraints in your bag. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the size of the Momkazi bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Momkazi Portable Bottle Warmer Purple. Next is another Momkazi Portable Bottle Warmer, this time in a lovely light purple color, also priced at $79.99. Like its green counterpart, this warmer is a bestseller and shares many impressive features. If you want a stylish and functional warmer, give this one a closer look. The fast heating capabilities remain the same, warming 4 Oz of water to 104 degrees F in just 2 minutes and breast milk to 98 degrees F in 5 minutes. The dual modes for precise temperature control make it easy for you to meet your baby's specific needs. Plus, it's portable at just 1.36 pounds and you can recharge it quickly, making it a perfect travel companion. Some reviews mention that the color might not suit everyone's taste. But honestly, if you're prioritizing functionality and performance, I wouldn't let that be a deal breaker. It's still a high-performing product that does its job well. This is great for you if you love a touch of color in your baby gear. Skip this if you prefer a more neutral look. It's definitely worth the investment for its functionality and style. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for minimalists. Product number 3, Tommy Tippy Portable Travel Warmer. Now let's talk about the Tommy Tippy Portable Travel Baby Bottle and Food Warmer, priced at just $13.99. This is a total steal and it's been rated 4.6 stars from over 12,000 reviews. If you're looking for something affordable and practical, this might be what you need. This warmer doesn't actually require power. It uses thermal insulation to keep hot water warm. So you can fill it with hot water, and it'll stay hot enough to warm your baby's bottle or food whenever you need it. This means no worries about battery life or finding an outlet on the go. Plus, its leak-proof design makes it easy to toss in your bag without any spills. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't warm as quickly as electric options. I'll be real with you, if you're in a hurry, you might find this frustrating. But it's ideal for those who prefer simplicity and reliability without the fuss of charging. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use and travel-friendly warmer. Skip this if you need something that heats up quickly. At this price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you need something that actually cools as well, you'll want to stick around for the next product. Product number 4, Momkazi Portable Breast Milk Cooler. Next up is the Momkazi 22 Oz Portable Breast Milk Cooler, priced at $89.99. This caught my eye because it's built for outdoor adventures and can keep your milk cool for over 24 hours. If you're a breastfeeding mom who's frequently on the go, this is worth your attention. Just freeze the cooling tube for 12 hours beforehand and you're set. Plus, it has a generous 22 Oz capacity, allowing for multiple pumping sessions, which is a lifesaver for busy moms. And the separate storage bottles keep things organized, which is nice. Some users found it a bit bulky for daily use. But honestly, if you're planning a day out or a trip, that extra size is a small price to pay for keeping your milk at the perfect temperature. This is great if you plan on going out for long periods and need reliable cooling. Skip this if you mostly just need something for short outings. It definitely provides value for its cooling capabilities and large capacity. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, let's take a look at our last option. Product number 5, Momkazi Baby Bottle Warmer. Lastly, we have the Momkazi Baby Bottle Warmer for just $49.99. This one offers a lot of features, and it's been rated 4.5 stars from 1,600 reviews. If you want a user-friendly option that preserves nutrients, this is definitely worth considering. This warmer uses a gentle water bath to heat milk, which helps avoid overheating and keeps those essential nutrients intact. It can heat milk, frozen purees, or snacks quickly in just 3-5 minutes, which is super convenient when you're busy. Plus, the one-touch operation makes it even easier for tired parents to use during the night. However, a few users mention that it takes longer than expected for larger bottles. Here's the thing though, it's designed for gentle heating, so if you're not in a rush, it's really a non-issue. It's perfect for maintaining quality. This is ideal for parents who prioritize nutrient preservation and ease of use. Skip this if you need ultra-fast heating for larger quantities. It offers great value for its price with those thoughtful features. So there you have it, 5 fantastic portable bottle warmers, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're looking for a bestseller, something stylish, or a budget-friendly choice, there's something here for every parent. Do your research and pick the one that fits your lifestyle best.